It's Huddy and the Chili King back for another video.
So we filmed a video earlier on the back porch, screen and porch, and it's gotten even more beautiful.
Yes, it has.
So we've moved to the back patio.
The patio.
And you can see the lovely sunlight. It's like 70 degrees today in North Alabama, and we are going to enjoy it while our animals run crazy around us. Look how puffed up the cat is. All right, so we hope they don't make any disturbance. Yeah. So, as I said in our last video, I made a little trip to Big Lots.
Yes, and he got a crap ton of food we could review.
Why do we have to call it a crap ton?
A bunch.
We got a bunch of food that sometimes you don't, I mean, I shouldn't say other people don't carry it, because other people obviously do carry it, but I see things in there I don't see elsewhere sometimes. And this is one thing that I saw that I just had to have. Buffalo wing pretzel crisps. Gotta be awesome, right?
Yeah.
Hudson's wearing Auburn today. How about that?
They took a W against Georgia last night.
They did. And look, to go along with that, I love sea salt and cracked pepper, anything. Those have got to be good. So we're fixing to try these. Look, so he has on Auburn. I have on actually Hits Baseball, which is who he plays through. They have an indoor facility in Athens. And if you want lessons, call Hits. I'll put the phone number and everything in here. You call Hits, they'll give you lessons. They rent lanes, even for just if you want to go up there and throw to your child or let him throw to you or whatever you want to do. They also have a lot of travel teams. He's on the 10U Hits Black.
Yes.
Hits Black. We start practice next week. So anyway, I'll put Hits information in here. We've been with him since he was 7.
And I'm freezing because all the wind hitting my face.
It's not cold out here. It's 7. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's try these before he freezes to death in 70-degree weather. That's not going to do that.
I know, but I was shaking the table.
Okay, so Hudson loves anything buffalo wings.
Yes.
I do too, as long as it's not too hot.
He made some good buffalo wings last night.
I did. Let me turn this back around because it looks dark. So this is what this looks like. I don't know if you've ever had these. They're really thin pretzels.
They're really good too.
They are. We've had a bunch of different flavors. They make a cinnamon and sugar maybe.
That sounds really good.
Well, you've had them.
I don't think I have.
Well, I've had them a bunch and they're good. I love them. So let's see what the. I don't know. Have we had these?
No, I don't think so.
No. Oh my goodness.
Really good.
Yeah. Hey. Let's have one more of those. Okay, so basically here's what you got. You got a pretzel, like a dried, kind of a dry, salty pretzel. Y'all know what that tastes like. With buffalo, what do you call that? Powder?
Powder.
But it's not hot. It's just good.
Yes.
It's a savory buffalo flavor. I love those.
Those are really good.
Let's go ahead and rate it. What do you give that? That's a snack. That's a travel ball tournament. What do you give that?
A 4, 5. I gotta say it's 5. It's flavor.
I'm giving it a 5 too. I'm telling you, that's as good a snack as you'll get in that. Look, and these are $2 and 20% off. So guess how much that was? Matt?
No.
You can't do it. Miss Land, come on. Miss Land, by the way, didn't want
Tennessee Titans to fire their coach.
She didn't want him to fire their coach, and then she said some cryptic comment about Nick Savannah. I think she's talking about Nick Saban. She said that she didn't want the Miami Dolphins Nick Savannah. She wanted the Alabama Crimson Tide Nick Savannah. Well, the Alabama Crimson Tide Nick Savannah doesn't exist in the NFL because that's not how it works. But anyway, thanks for the comment, Miss Lamb. Hudson's been reading all weekend.
Yes.
He has not.
I read it one time.
Okay, so these are the same thing, Snack Factory's Pretzel Crisps, but these are sea salt and cracked black pepper. Not as good as buffalo though. Now you get a hint of the sea salt.
That's pretty good though.
You get a hint of the black pepper at the end. It comes in kind of at the end. That's good too. Won't like it as much as
I like it. I like it a lot.
Okay, so on the picture, they have these things being used like crackers. We've never done that before, I don't think.
No, those would be good with cheese.
But we're thinking about taking the buffalo, guys, slice a little thin piece of cheddar cheese on it, maybe put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds, melt that baby down. I think that would be really good.
It would be really good.
Okay, so we gave the buffalo wing pretzel crisp a 5. What would you give the sea salt and cracked black pepper?
4.85.
I'm going 4.5. Like I said, they're good, but they're not as good as the other ones. Look, these would be great.
Can I open them again?
Yeah, these would be great for if you're backpacking, hiking, walking, so you need a snack.
A car.
On a trip in your car for a travel tournament. These are great because they reseal at the top. They're not very expensive and they're great. They had other flavors too. I should have probably got all the flavors.
That would have been an amazing video.
Yeah, everybody wants to sit and watch us eat like 8 different versions of these. Hey, but seriously, go get these. These are good. Really, 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 really good. I think they sell them. I mean, I know they sell them other places. I've seen them. I think I've bought them at Target before.
Target.
Walmart, I'm sure, carries them.
Yeah.
And
Walmart carries everything.
Publix probably carries. Everybody probably carries them. I just, for some reason, I don't see them very often, and I just happened to see these flavors yesterday and I had to have them.
I can't put it up, or you'll see me the rest of the video.
We got to uncover him. All right, so we're fixing to do some stuff outside because it's so pretty. We may go for a walk. But today is this is Sunday, and it's NFL. What do you call that? Conference championship weekend. All right, so at the end of this video here, we're going to pick our winners. Are you ready to do that?
Yeah.
I kind of sprung that on you. All right, so we got the Patriots and the not the Panther. Yeah.
No, it's the Jaguars.
Jaguars, same thing, Cats. The Jaguars and the Patriots in the AFC Championship playing in Foxborough, Massachusetts for a right to go to Minnesota to play in the Super Bowl. Who you got?
Jacksonville. Jaguars.
You're really picking Jacksonville?
Yeah.
Listen, Jacksonville's got a backup running back / return man, Corey Grant, who played at Opelika High School under one of my good friends, Eric Speakman. So good luck to Corey Grant today. I want Jacksonville to win, but I'm going to pick the Patriots.
Yeah, I could see you picking the Patriots.
All right, so the other game is the Vikings, who are trying to win to go play at home in the Super Bowl. It never happened before. And they're playing the backup quarterback of the Philadelphia Eagles, Nick Foles. So who have you got in that game?
Minnesota Vikings.
Me too.
I can't believe that Minnesota Vikings catch at the end of the Saints game.
Yeah, that was crazy. I got the Vikings too. So we'll leave it at that, and then we'll pick the Super Bowl later.
When is the Super Bowl again?
It's in 2 weeks from today.
Nice.
So the first weekend in February, and I'm sure by then it'll be 5 degrees again.
That's terrible.
All right, so go watch some NFL. Well, actually, by the time you see this video, those games will be way over. But just enjoy our picks. How about that?
Yeah,
and if they're wrong, we don't care.
No.
We don't even really like the NFL. We like it okay.
We used to do NCAA games, but
Yeah, nobody cares.
yeah.
Alabama's going to win it every year at the end. All right, so for
Huddy.
Chelly King.
Toodles.